Took the fender and this mirror off before I started the video, but not much else. Just sort of that disassembling phase. Get it stripped down to the frame. Keep taking stock of parts that I might need. But mainly, you know, thinking it's probably worthwhile to paint this frame, clean it up. So, got the wiring harness off already. A few other things up front. We're kind of taking this back end apart, and then we'll get her down to the frame before too long. And then I think I'll have to take this frame somewhere and pressure wash it. It's too cold out to do it here. But yeah, it's pretty rusty in there. It's been kind of poorly patched up. It's got lots of holes around where it was patched. I don't think the original muffler's got a strong case for it. I think we'll see what we can do about finding an alternative from another bike. Then we're gonna pretty much leave it there. We'll pressure wash it, bring it back, and then get the engine out.